Make the fault seem easy to correct. Principle 8, use encouragement. Make the fault seem easy to correct. We should let individuals know we believe in their potential and prospects for success. Do this to assist them in overcoming the challenge of change. Praise their accomplishments, downplay their flaws, and show them a lot of support so they may develop the skills they need to succeed. When we tell our children, spouses, or co-workers that they are stupid or awful at something, we deprive them of the desire to do better. Instead of just informing someone that their objective is out of reach, look for methods to support minor wins wherever possible. These little compliments might help clear the way for offering advice while also keeping people encouraged. From How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Part 4, Be a Leader. Subscribe, like, follow for more.